straight from the plant in Spartanburg, BMW's greatest on the planet. This X3 creation of display-touched base in Frankfurt for us to look at. A great deal is riding on its prosperity, and it appears they've changed the formula a lot. The old X3 resembled bean stew sauce, extraordinary for the individuals who could deal with the warmth. Be that as it may, most by far of SUV purchasers simply need a quick-paced however exceptionally agreeable auto. That is the reason the 2018 X3 is considerably greater within. Be that as it may, this specific X3 has the bean stew included back in light of the fact that it's the M40i show. The main M rendition until the X3M touches base 1 year from now is fueled by a solitary turbo 3.0-liter motor creating 360 strength and 500 Nm of torque. As standard, the powertrain incorporates 4x4 and a 8-speed programmed, taking you to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, in only 4.8 seconds or about as quick as a Golf R. However, notwithstanding its burly body pack and red seats, you truly need to comprehend what you're searching for to detect this is the execution of display. So it experiences an indistinguishable circumspect nature from the Audi SQ5. Gratefully, there are different forms to browse. For instance, the X3 can at present be requested as a 30D model with a 265 horsepower 3.0-liter diesel or a 20D with, you got it, a 2.0-liter making 190 horsepower. Later on, more motors will be offered, including ones that go as low as 150 horsepower. All things considered, the new model is 55 kilograms lighter than the old one. Some say the outside outline is an advancement of the old one, however we don't concur. They've changed the state of the headlights and the kidney grills to be more adjusted, much the same as the facelift of the 1 Series. Look past the splendid red cowhide, and you'll see the infotainment screen now resembles a tablet stuck over the dash. The checks have additionally been digitized, however this is clearly discretionary. The trim around the focal point of the dash is hexagonal, much the same as the headlights. Along these lines, to finish up, it's greater, lighter, all the more innovatively progressed and most likely better looking too. The drawback is that at dispatch, models will be around €4,000 more costly than the past H.